Are you looking for ways to make your reports more interactive and user-friendly to secure data? Bold Reports offers drill-through and drill-down features. In this video, I will guide you through the process of implementing drill-through and drill-down options in a report. A drill-through report allows users to open a separate detailed report by clicking a data point in the summary report. A drill-down report allows users to expand hierarchical data within the same report to reveal more detailed levels when needed. First, I will enable drill-through support by opening the report server application. Here I have designed Customer Support Analysis and Customer Support Representative Analysis reports and added them. For this demo, Customer Support Analysis acts as the main report, and Customer Support Representative Analysis acts as the sub-report. I open the main report in design mode. In the report, I enable the drill-through option to Representative Name column in Top 5 Support Representatives table, and open the link property. I choose the report option and browse the sub-report path. I set the parameter as needed. And preview the report. The sub-report will be rendered based on the parameter. And it displays a summary of representatives' names. I click Andrew and it navigates to the sub-report. It displays full customer details. I click the back button to navigate to the main report. Next, I enable the drill-down option. Here I have designed Territory Sales Report and added it to the report server application. I open the report in design mode, where row and column groups are configured. In the row groups pane, the name 1, which represents the country name, acts as the parent of first name 1. First name 1, which displays the salesperson's name, is the parent of the sales order number 1 group. Sales order number 1 displays the order number. To enable drill down, I select first name 1 and set the toggle item to the name 1 text box. This allows the salesperson's names to be expanded or collapsed under each country. Similarly, I set the toggle button for salesperson to expand or collapse the sales order number 1 group, enabling drill down from salesperson to order number. This is the name of the text box. I have included the video link in the description that explains how to create a drill-down report. I preview the report, and you can see that toggle buttons have been added to both the country name and salesperson text boxes. I click the country toggle button to display salesperson's names, and then click the salesperson toggle button to show the order numbers. In this video, I demonstrated how to implement both drill-through and drill-down options in the report. To learn more about Bold Reports, visit boldreports.com. If you don't have a Bold Report subscription, you can sign up for a 30-day free trial using the Try It Free option. If you prefer a demo from an expert, Request Demo allows you to schedule one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more information on Bold Reports.